So how can you unlock your Snapchat account when permanently locked? Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. Now from here we open the browser and then search for fix Snapchat account locked and open the first result. That should be by the official website of Snapchat. Now from here scroll down a little bit and tap on go in here, this button right there. Wait for a couple of seconds. Once this page loads up, tap on unlock my account. If it requests you to log in, go ahead and do it and then tap on unlock right here. Now this is for the first method. For the second method, search for Snapchat support and again open the first website. That should be by Snapchat. Now from here, scroll down and tap on contact us. You will be given this list of options. Tap on I can't access my account and then tap on I see an error message when I log in. Once you tap there, you'll be taken here. Scroll down a little bit and then tap on yes. Right here, you'll be given this form in which you'll need to fill in some information about your account, username, email, and all that. In the bottom, you'll find this description area in which you tap there and describe your problem and tell them that they have locked your account by mistake and they should unlock it, and then tap on submit right here. And they should get back to you in a short period of time. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.